Whatever you do, don't push the wrong button.
Wizard!
You're up early, Byrd. What are you doing?
Nothing much, Chuck E. Cheese. Just having some fun.
I be careful, Byrd. Whatever you do, don't push the wrong button. People don't like that.
Don't worry, Chucky. A little fun won't hurt anyone.
He can't say I didn't warn him.
Let's wake up Scooter. He's been in bed long enough.
What? 5:50? I just knew that alarm was set for 7.
Good one, Byrd. I think it's time for Joy to wake up.
I'm awake! Mommy, where am I?
That was better than I bargained for. Let's see how Daddy likes the smell of pepper.
What happened? Whatever you do, don't push the wrong button.
Now for round 2.
Joy is not feeling joyful.
Mom, you look tired. I'll have Sparkle do your makeup.
You want me to do Mom's makeup? He's gonna be mad, honey.
No. She will never be mad at you.
Well then, I'm on it.
Wait a minute. I know what's going on here. Somebody's trying to push my button.
Uh-oh, I better go.
Wonder what Mom's fixing for breakfast.
Hey guys, are y'all ready for challenge school?
Good morning, everyone.
Yikes.
I think that you look great.
What happened?
What are you all talking about?
Your makeup?
She will never suspect a thing.
I'll be right back.
Ah!
Who did this to me?
I did, Mommy. Do you like it?
Oh, Sparkle. Why did you do this, honey?
Byrd asked me to.
Byrd?
Wait a minute! Did you wake me up? Did you take my cover?
Am I allergic to you?
Well,
Whatever you do, don't push the wrong button.
not now, Chucky. Payback. War!
I can't believe you set me up.
Well, it looks like you have pushed the wrong buttons.
Got Guys, listen!
Let's get him.
Guys, no, please. It was just a little fun. Come on.
And so is this.
You mess with us, we mess with you.
Press the wrong
Scooter.
buttons, dude. We'll teach you about pushing the wrong buttons.
No, please. Guys, no.
Okay, Chucky, you were right.
He should have listened when I told him. Don't push the wrong buttons.
For more awesome videos, hit subscribe.